Anyone who's ever worked on cars or spent a ton of money getting their cars repaired will tell you, don't ignore preventive maintenance. The basics like changing your oil, checking your tire pressure, and getting scheduled inspections and work done are like getting regular checkups at the doctor. They keep you healthy and give you and the experts a chance to catch anything serious before it becomes a major problem. And having a professional do the work on your car not only saves you time, but it can save you from some major headaches down the road. Professionals are able to detect minor problems, which car owners with limited knowledge may well overlook. And some repair jobs can be exceptionally time-consuming, can involve hazardous materials, or may be dangerous to complete. And while working on your vehicle can save you some money in labor costs and fees, it could end up costing you more in the long run if it's not done properly the first time. It is important to know your limitations and what projects you feel comfortable tackling on your own. If you are not sure you have the proper materials to perform any vehicle maintenance tasks, you should seek professional help. Wild Easttown Honda has experienced and reliable service and parts departments that are open extra hours to fit your schedule, and as always, we offer competitive pricing for automotive maintenance and repair needs. You can schedule service with Wild Easttown Honda online or by calling 608-242-5500. We look forward to seeing you at your next service appointment.